Hello everyone, this is Sobia, faculty of EVS in Tala Padmavati International School. Today we are going to discuss a topic of class 4 chapter 9, changing families. So children, as we already know, the families gets changed by increasing the family members in a family or by decreasing the family members in a family. So here we are going to learn about three different families of three different friends. So those are Nimmi, Sering and Nazli. So we need to find out what is happening in their family, and here it's a new arrival. There is a great excitement in the Nimmi's family children because she had a new baby sister. So you can see in the pictures here she is Nimmi. So you can see it here, she is Nimmi. Grandmother of Nimmi and father of Nimmi are entering into the hospital. Okay, here you can see the hospital symbol, and next you can see that a small baby of Nimmi, the small baby is Nimmi's sister over here. The grandmother, mother and father are present in the hospital. Okay, so they are very excited and they are going back to their home from the hospital. So Nimmi is very excited about her baby sister. So who were the members of Nimmi's family before the arrival of her baby sister? So who were the family before the arrival? Father, mother, Nimmi, grandfather and grandmother were the family members of Nimmi before the arrival of baby sister. How many members are there in Nimmi's family now? So now present 6 members are there in the family, right? And next, how do you think the lives of Nimmi family members have changed after the arrival of a newborn, for example? So here are few of the questions which has to be answered by you, where how the family has been changed when the baby has entered the house. So how is the Nimmi going to spay her the whole day with the baby, or how the new work will her mother to do now, or else how it has changed his father lifestyle, grandmothers and everyone. So you can just imagine yourself as Nimmi and you can write down that how your day will change if a newborn baby is in your home. Has some brother or sister been born in your home or in any other house in your neighborhood? So here are few of the questions, children. If they have born, they are a baby born, or else boy or a girl, or how it is related, what is the color of the hair, eyes. So a few of the questions of the baby related are given, so just finish it. And next, new place. So here it's the second situation, already we have seen. So it is Sering's father received a letter from his office. So you can see that he is receiving the letter from his office. So the letter that he was being promoted and would have to move to another city. So they used to stay in another city. After promotion, they need to leave this city and has to go to the another city. When Sering's father showed the letter to his family, how do you think different members would have felt? How do you feel? Imagine yourselves as Serings and your father got transferred and you need to leave this city and have to go to the another place. So obviously we feel very bad because we need to leave the friends who are present in our surroundings, and we need to change our school, and there are a lot of changes which happens in our surroundings. So most probably it would be very hard for us to leave the house and take all the household things along with us to the new place and new friends and everything. Next we are going to a third family. So it's a family where a wedding is happening, children. So there is a great joy in the Nazil's home today. So her elder cousin brother is getting married. So when he's getting married, obviously how will be the house? Completely it will be a joyful. All the relatives will be coming to the house. Okay. Do you think there will be any change in the Nazli's family after her wedding? What will change? Yes, there will be change because one new member has been added in the family. Do you think there will be changes in the home from where The new bride has come, what kind of changes? So what kind of changes you can see, children? They need to be allotted with a separate room, and the cooking procedures and the staying ones, everything will get changed. So few of the questions are asked related to it. Write your opinions on it, and you need to write the reasons for these changes, children. In Nimmi's family, what was the reason? So obviously a newborn sister will be the change there, and in Sering's family, because of promotion, they are changing the place. So you need to write what are the changes whichever else you are feeling. So you need to take 3 old peoples, one from your family, one from your friend's family, and one from your family in your neighbors, and ask them these questions and filling the table. So here are few of the questions which are asked, and just after asking the questions, you just filling the tables based on their answers. My family yesterday, today, and tomorrow. All families change in some way or the other because of different reasons. Has your family changed too? Yes, almost everyone's family is going to have a little bit of change. If they do have daughters in the house, they get married, okay, and they leave the house and go to another house. If you are having brothers, they get married and a new bride is going to enter into the house. Every house is going to have changes regularly, children. When your grandmother and grandfather were children like you, was your family just like it is today? So no, obviously it would be different, because your grandmother and grandfather did not got married and the situations will be different. No children and no grandchildren, so almost everything is going to change it. Okay, so there are the few questions related to it. You just need to find out that the family tree, when what was your family tree when your grandparents were not married, when they were young. And still there are few of the questions. Going back to school, up to which class do you want to study? So there are few questions which are related to you. Just answer those questions. And next, there are many girls who got married before they are 18 years old. Many of them have to even leave school. There are many true stories of girls like Shushila of Rangareddy district who are going back to school. So also got the help of the panchayat. The panchayat said that the young children should play and study, not to be married off. A group of people of Andhra Pradesh holds special camp to help married girls to go back to school. Jangam and Chitti says we should like to study and study. So as if you already know, if we just go a few years back, so all the girls who used to get married at the age of 18, okay, they were not allowed to study longer. So the reason behind it depends upon the thinking of the parents. Okay, so the situation was like in 18 years only they used to get married. So nowadays it happened in a way that the education is must for even girls and boys. So we should understand the importance of education for girls and boys to lead a happy life. So related to it, so what would be the age of girl, what would be the age of boy, how much it should be, what are your thinking, and what type of in your marriages what type of dresses they wear, bride and groom. So there are few common questions which are asked, and try to answer those questions. Okay, now it comes for the project, children. So as if you have already seen 3 different families. Okay, so the 3 different families of Nimmi, Sering and Nazli. So in the same way, even you are going to have a different family which is completely different, right? If you want to share the experience of Nimmi or Sering and Nazli family and make a video, or else you can select any of the family, like you can select your family or your relatives family and make a video related to it, how the families have changed. Okay, and not only that, after that, children, you need to ask your grandmother or grandfather how many members were there in their family when they were of around your age. Then draw the family tree in your notebook of their family, your grandparents family tree, and next draw your family tree now how it is. Okay, when grandparents and grandparents were of your age, how was the family tree? You draw that and explain it. How was the family tree? And later on, now present, how is the family tree? Just draw it and show what is the difference between those two family trees. Okay, just explain it how you can understand the difference between those two families.